Hello beautiful people, here is my quick review and a demo of MelodySusie nail drill. Now here's what it looks like when you open up your package. I did use it for 3 months already because I wanted to make sure I provide a fair review for you. I do want to mention I am not an expert, but here's just what I do. Here is the tool I use to remove a bit of my gel nail polish before I soak my nails in acetone. And before I get into that, I want to show you that this drill has reverse and forward functions as well as the speed control. Simple up and down movements on high speed setting to get it to look like this. Make sure you don't overdo it because you definitely don't want to damage your nail bed. Then I soak a little piece of cotton disc in acetone, wrap it up in foil.